All right, welcome back, Plane Talk Podcast, people. And I'm here with Mike Goulian, who needs no introduction. You've already seen him before on the Plane Talk Podcast, featured on the YouTube channel. Mike, welcome to Oshkosh 2018.
Glad to be here again.
Good to have you. And you're getting ready to go fly today.
Yeah, so we're sitting here on the hot ramp. You can see all the airplanes are lined up, and we're just starting now to think about weather, wind, density, altitude, all that stuff. And then as the Airbus Wayne Bug says, then you go put your game face on and go do it.
Absolutely. So you're getting ready to go do that. And kind of right now we're saying hi to the crowd, but pretty soon you're going to go back into your office. You're going to rehearse through the routine and kind of take us through that mindset, getting into that mindset a little bit.
Yeah, well, you just basically, you can't think that you're at Oshkosh, right? It's like you in your backyard flying and screwed up.
Is that Robbie?
They never told me. That is so unfair. That's funny. Oh, so they're going to what is today? Today's Wednesday? They're on their way to Fargo.
That was awesome.
That is pretty clever. That's pretty smart. And guess what? Right on time is only he can do, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Well, gee, I don't think we need to do any other interview other than that. I think that was excellent, Mike. Have yourself a great show, brother.
Yeah, it should be awesome. Can't wait.
Well,
Thanks, Rob.
Enjoy. From Oshkosh 2018, Mike Goulian. Take care.
Funny.